Installing a system board assembly. The replacement procedure must be performed by a trained technician. Install the system I/O board on the processor board. Align the system I/O board with the connector on the processor board and use both hands to slightly insert the system I/O board into the connector. Fasten the screws to secure the system I/O board. Hold the lift handle while releasing the pin to lower the system board into the chassis. Slide the system board to the rear of the server until it snaps into position. Install the following components on the system board. Properly route and secure the cables in the server. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.